8,000 watch hour. 8,000. If you also woke up to the YouTube new monetization policy, it's time to take a deep breath. Yes, YouTube is changing its rule big time starting February 1, 2027. The watch hour doubled, the shorts view doubled, but before you panic delete your channel, let's look at what changed, who get hurt, and how you can beat this system. Up until now, the formula for joining YouTube Partner Program and getting that sweet AdSense money was fairly standard. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour in a year, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. Well, RIP to those numbers. Here's what the bar look like starting February 1, 2027. 8,000 hours. This is 333 continuous day of watch time. Unless your audience is playing your long form videos as background noise while they sleep, hitting 8K hour as a small channel is going to take some serious elbow grease. And now let's talk about the 20 million shorts views. Unless you are literally dropping a viral trend every Tuesday, that's a ridiculous tall order. Okay, but before you go update your LinkedIn or your resume, here's a huge loophole you need to know now. It's called the grandfather clause. Basically, if your channel is already monetized before February 1, 2027, you are still safe. YouTube isn't gonna kick you out of the partner program just because you don't hit 8,000 hours next year. You get to stay under the old rule. However, because YouTube loves a little plot twist, existing creators still have to follow two basic don't ghost us rule. Stay active. You gotta get at least 1,000 watch hour a year or post at least 2 long form videos or 5 shorts every 90 days like basic platform hygiene. Second one, short maintenance. To keep getting that short ad cool money, you still have to maintain 10 million views every rolling 90 days. What didn't change? Small victory, I suppose? It's not all total doom and gloom, I think. There are few things that is staying untouched. Like level 1 funding. You can still unlock Super Chat channel membership and YouTube shopping at 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So like your 3 loyal supporters can still buy you $2 super thanks. The revenue split. It's still a 55-45 split for a long form ad revenue. They are making us work twice as hard to get through the door, but at least they aren't dropping our split percentage yet. There's more news to it. Yep, no one is talking about it, but let's talk about it. It's called Premium Lite and Creator Earning. YouTube is also expanding Premium Lite to the countries where YouTube Premium is available. What does that mean? With Premium Lite, creator will share a pool representing 60% of the net subscription revenue. And for standard YouTube Premium views, creator will share a pool representing 30% of net subscription revenue. These Premium Lite earnings will appear alongside standard YouTube Premium metrics in YouTube Analytics. Now, before someone says, I'm gonna quit my job tomorrow, remember that your actual income will depend on things like your viewer location, how long they watch, the content they watch, subscription revenue. So no, Premium Lite is not an automatic creator jackpot, it's another possible revenue, not a guaranteed back. More opportunity for Shorts creator. YouTube is also planning more opportunities for Shorts creator. Bonus related to YouTube shopping, production credit for brand deals, earning boost connected to cultural trend campaigns, and YouTube is also introducing short ad. So if an advertiser target an ad to 5 or fewer channel, eligible creator could receive a direct 45 revenue share from those placement. This could be useful for the niche creator because brand may be able to target specific communities instead of throwing one random ad into the internet and hoping for the best. But remember, this is for the eligible creator. This doesn't mean every channel will receive this payout. If you are anywhere near the old threshold, it's time to stop procrastinating and start making those videos. Sprint to 4,000 hour ASAP. Like seriously, if you qualify and get accepted before January 31, 2027, you get grandfather in forever under the old rules. Go live, drop longer breakdowns and do whatever it takes to cross that line. Sign the updated paperwork. Keep an eye on your YouTube studio. You have to click accept on the new terms before January 2027. Or YouTube will straight up freeze your payouts. Don't leave them on read. Stop relying 100% on AdSense. Honestly, AdSense was always pocket change anyway. If YouTube pulling this stunt proves anything, it's that relying entirely on someone else's platform is super risky. And that's why we have made Artha.link. So if you have a community of people where people are literally looking for jobs that people are always doing, then you can have your own Artha link where we can customize your job page with thousands of jobs your audience are actually looking for. What you have to do is just share that link with your audience wherever they hang out, and you will earn per click per application while helping your audience get their dream job. And don't worry about it, we help you at every step, so you don't have to do anything. That's the most minimal effort you have to do to monetize yourself. Other than this, you have to try something that is your own, like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and there are like thousands of things we already discussed on our channel. Go have a look on our platform based monetization models. So, what do you think about YouTube new rules? I mean, YouTube is claiming raising the bar will reward high quality dedicated creators, but like we all know, it's just a sneaky way to swing the payout pool. Drop your thoughts in the comment and subscribe for more creator update, and send this video to the creator or friend who have 999 subscribers as of now, and tell them to check their YouTube analytics more than their messages. See you in the next one.